So I came from a family that's a little bit different than the classic LDS family. I've had experiences in my life that can help carve the ways for future families.
Our focus is on increasing family health, and we're doing this by creating videos that we're posting to a Facebook group. And these videos cover topics like creating healthy family relationships, talking about difficult topics, having healthy lifestyles together. So the focus is to increase education and then hopefully also give them some ideas of skill-based things they can do going forward.
Right now we're working on the effects of adverse childhood experiences and comparing it to what happens if they have positive adult experiences.
And found that positive childhood experiences are really, really important. In some ways, more important in a good way than adverse childhood experiences are in a bad way. Project is really not just research, but giving back to help strengthen families.
I was talking to one of the professors in our department, and he was saying how we have like the family, the proclamation up on the wall, and how that is kind of the center of what we're doing is creating stronger families. You know, I just feel like it's something that's important to the Lord because families are so important to the Lord.
This project has taught me, like, as the church has been teaching, to value family relationships and to value the connections.
This study and my faith has kind of like strengthened each other. I think it all stems from knowing that the Savior has gone through everything that you have gone through. With the knowledge of the atonement, we're able to use that faith to find that resilience, to strengthen our families.
Just watching a single video won't be life-changing, most likely. But I hope that as they watch a video, maybe it sparks something. They think, hey, I can do something more for that child I see down the street who seems like she's got things a little bit rough. And this video might not tell me everything, but it makes me more mindful and wanting to do something about it.